Okay, so welcome to my channel. My name is David, and I present to you an introductory video on ArcGIS on my channel. This channel promises to be the best, yes, the best in the delivery of knowledge on data related to ArcGIS or the making of maps. So we'll present to you how you're able to make maps using the ArcGIS and also the Google Earth Pro. As you can see here, this is the Google Earth Pro. It will teach you how to navigate your way throughout this Google Earth Pro, how you will be able to gather spatial data, how to locate geographic areas of the Google Earth Pro, and to also be able to export these data onto the ArcGIS and analyze this data. For those who may be new to the world of ArcGIS, ArcGIS is a geographic information system software developed by the Esri and is a powerful tool that allows users to visualize, analyze, and understand spatial data. ArcGIS is widely used across various industries, such as the urban planning, the natural resource, emergency response, and many more. I've used ArcGIS for many years, I think quite some number of years now. I've gained knowledge, experience using it in various applications, such as the urban planning, environmental analysis, gathering of data for different or many purposes, and also the analyzing of the data gathered. So I've used ArcGIS some time now. I'm able to gather the spatial data and also use ArcGIS to analyze this spatial data. As you can see here, this is the Google Earth. So we will teach you how you're able to locate your locations, where you'll be doing your study, your research, your work, the map you want to draw by yourself, where to locate it all over the globe. And see the globe here, yes, so all over the world, wherever you want to go, whatever project you are trying to do. This channel will be the best to help you to be able to locate the specific location. It will teach you how you will do that, to locate locations where you want to do your work, and to be able to gather spatial data from those locations to aid your research and your analysis. So from the Google, let's see if you are zooming in to locate a place, and this place, I don't know if you're able to recognize the place. This is who knows, this is the St. Peter's Square. Yeah, that is where I've shown you here. Yeah, so the ArcGIS will show you how to go deeper to gather data on the field and to be able to analyze it. Teach you how to draw a land use land cover map. Teach you how to draw a contextual map, flow maps, any map at all, heat maps, any map you can think of. The ArcGIS, this software is this YouTube channel is the best to help you to be able to draw any map that you want to draw in analyzing spatial data. It will teach you how to digitize a map, how you can come to this. Yes, you see, come to this this Google Earth Pro, and you're able to locate a place and digitize, that is to draw what you are seeing there. So you teach you how to gather or take aerial photograph from this Google Earth Pro. So you navigate your way out to where you want to take the image, the aerial image. So it will take you through the how you take the image and how you will start to digitize and draw the buildings, the roads, the freeways, anything, any feature that you wish to draw on the ArcGIS. Teach you all of that. It will take you through what the GIS really is, the components, which are the data, software, hardware, the people. Will provide you with an example of how GIS is used in real world. We'll take you through everything you are seeing here at the top here. We'll introduce you to the ArcGIS, ArcMap, ArcGlobe, ArcScene. We'll take you through there to discuss the basic tools and functionality of ArcGIS and mapping, the types of data ArcGIS, the raster, the vector data, the tables, everything. We will take you through them, demonstrate how to navigate the ArcGIS interface, as I said earlier. Yes, we will take you through everything that you need to know to become a pro. Yes, that is the globe there. This is the seat. Yes, Basilica. That is the exact place it is. So you see, replicate the place, and from there we move on to gather spatial data and to be able to analyze it in the way we want to analyze it and suit our interest and to suit if for your client, yes, of course, to suit your client's interest and to help you. So it can be a preparation. You can be doing GI as a preparation. It really pays. Okay, so I encourage you to ask questions and engage with this channel. If you've not liked, not subscribed, if you've not given any comment at this point, please subscribe to this channel. Not only that, give us a like to motivate us to keep on doing more and more, and then give a comment, share for your friends and everybody to join this channel and to benefit from this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you once again for tuning in and subscribing to this channel, and this channel promises you to always provide you with the best knowledge ever, and subscribing to this channel you will never regret. Thank you once again, and I'm looking forward to seeing you again. Thank you.